Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning on Word's dictation so you can speak directly into the document. Open Word and sign into your Microsoft 365 account. Once done, go to the Home tab and click the Dictate microphone icon. If the microphone prompt appears, allow permission in your operating system or browser so Word can access audio. Make sure your preferred microphone is selected in System Settings before speaking. This avoids mismatched input and poor recognition. Now configure input and language to improve accuracy. You should open System Sound Settings and choose the physical microphone or headset you'll use. Once selected, return to Word and set the dictate language to match your accent. Also check punctuation options. Word can insert commas and periods if you speak them, so practice saying punctuation words. Speak in short, clear phrases and pause briefly between commands. This helps the speech engine separate sentences and reduces transcription errors. Finish by editing and saving the dictated text so the document reads correctly. You should review the transcription for misheard words and use keyboard edits or voice commands to fix them. Save frequently and enable autosave to OneDrive for continuous backup. If the microphone stops working, restart Word, confirm the mic is listed in device drivers, and recheck privacy permissions. These steps resolve most issues quickly. If recognition remains poor, try a different microphone or reduce background noise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.